thing isn't off.
We have the water rocket on the pad right now. We're using an electric pump so that we can get over pressures. But for this test, we're not going to be going like over 80 psi. We're going to try, you guys can see this right here. We're going to try go into 20 psi for the first attempt, just in case for the winds. We don't want it to go high because, well, we have houses nearby. So we are going to try put it at 20 psi.
Just 20?
20. We're good.
That's it?
That's good. That was amazing. You can see it's full of, if we just squeeze it out, yeah, we got this thing. But yeah, this water rocket. Also, you guys can see the something about NASA safety reporting system. If it's not safe, say so. So yeah, you can see that right there. And then we have the logo on the back, just for some water rocket diesels. And we have a nose cone that's being duct taped right here. We're gonna put the camera somewhere like right here, kind of like right here. And we have the straddle fins right here, you guys can see. And then we have a nozzle. So that was 20 psi, which went pretty successful. And here's our launch pad. Oh! That's a problem. That's a problem.
Okay.
There it is. Well, that was a bit off nominal. The rocket diverted to this direction. It diverted west. Also, partly cloud right there, storm. Here we go. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Okay, I'm looking at the PSI. We're going at 10 PSI right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! In here? Okay. Where did it go? Was it right here? Hello? Oh my gosh, it thing landed straight to the trash can. Wow. That thing landed directly at the trash can. Wow, can I reach down there? No, I can't. Alrighty guys, so we're now about to prepare to launch a camera, an onboard camera inside the water rocket. The only problem is that the winds is starting to pick up, and yeah, we got some sort of like a storm coming by, and the winds, yeah, you can see right there, the winds are kicking in hard, so it doesn't look like that we're going to be launching this camera, unfortunately. This poor little camera can't even fly again. So hopefully we'll see what the results is, and then we'll see what happens. What we're thinking for this one is that we're gonna put the camera, if this thing can stand still, we're gonna think about putting the camera like right here, like you guys can see, like right here, or we can put it like, say like right here, probably. We're gonna see. But that's the camera. We're gonna see about the weather, and yeah, he's not looking too happy.